and you'd think they'd give me some different background music, but I don't have so many selections and it's not very much. But I decided to take the drone out again today. Foliage is all down, well, most of it is anyway. Almost didn't see that tree. But anyway, I'm back in the parking lot running this remotely, probably about 250 yards away. Decided to take a look up the entrance of this trail for a second. Now the drone is about 400 yards away from me, and I wanted to check out this power lines. Good, fast, easy travel for all our forest critters. I met a couple out here years back, and they were telling me a story that happened to them back in January of 2009. They were walking these power lines. It was really cold. There was no snow on the ground. But if I remember correctly, from right to left up there by the posts, they saw an upright brown figure move across from one wood line to the other. And they said they didn't see a hat, they didn't see boots. It was just really weird. It was all one brown solid color. I scooted across the power line here to this wood line where the couple told me that they saw that subject come out of the wood line, across the open area and into the other wood line. You know, I don't recall ever coming up on a deer or anything like that using the drone, so I'm kind of wondering how they're going to react. Alright, here's some good overhead shots. I got the camera facing almost all the way down. Oh, there it is. But you can see the shadows from all the trees that the sun's creating. I actually like overcast days where there's a lot of clouds and hardly any sun peeking through, because it's so much easier to see my display screen. So when I'm running the drone like this and shooting video footage and watching the monitor, it's difficult to see what's going on. So half the time I don't even know if I did catch a deer or anything like that on video until I review the clips. This is the same road I walked the other night, so I wanted to take a quick look at it. another overhead shot of a little resting area here where people can stop and chill out. There's a picnic table there and such. And right here I was in the power lines. I decided to come all the way down in altitude and take a closer look inside here.